it's Toad Vesu from New Edibox, and welcome to your 14th HTML tutorial. Thanks guys for sticking with me for 14 tutorials already in a row. And during this tutorial I'm going to cover the last bits and pieces of the subject for building tables, guys. So for those of you who watch my previous two tutorials, you already are acquainted and are familiar with the concepts of building a table and playing with the thickness of the borders and so on. And during this tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how to build a little more advanced table and a little bit more, let's say, simply advanced table that would look and give the impression that you did really put in some work into that. So let's just get started, guys. What we are going to need, I'm going to build a simple table of consisting of two columns and 2 rows. So let's just go ahead and do that. I hope that you have your Notepad ++ open, and go ahead and feel free to join me in typing in some code. So table row, first table row, now let's put some table data in it. Table data. I'm looking at my screen on the right side because I have a simple sheet of what I want to talk with you about during the video, guys. Okay, so I'm building a paragraph within a cell. So, and that cell will consist of simple one paragraph, right guys? Okay, let's build another one. This is another paragraph, and following good housekeeping rules, guys, let's put the closing tag in. So this will be our first column with I'm sorry guys, I can see that I've put a typo there. Okay, so there we go. We have to close the table data there as well. Put the closing tag, and now guys, you can see that we have the first row built with one column. Now what we're gonna need the second column, and I'm just gonna go ahead and build that right now. Okay guys, so let's type it in. Table data, and just to ensure myself, I will do that. I will type it in the closing tag once again. Okay guys, so now what I want to do in this one, I want to tell that this column will have a table in a table. So this cell contains a table. Okay guys, so this cell, how do we build a simple table in a cell? We follow the same rules. We open new table, tell the thickness of the border, so it would look like a table. And now guys, we have to build a simple table within a table. So that will take us to do table row. Let's go ahead and build a closing row, closing tag for a row, this one, and of course we will need some table data here. So let's go ahead and make a table data there. Okay, so let's put Apple, closing tag for table data. I'm sure guys that this looks quite a bit complicated, but believe me, within a moment you will see that it will look quite okay once we display it on our screen. Okay, guys, so next thing that I want to build one more row for the table that will be inserted inside of let's say our cell. So I'm just showing this thing for you guys, so you would know that the possibilities of building tables are practically limitless. It's just only your imagination that can limit you. So let's replace the pairs with baconators. Oh boy, I love baconators. Okay, so and now guys, we have a simple let's say two columns and two rows built within one cell. So I'm just gonna go ahead and run that bit of a code on my browser, and there you go, guys. You can see that this cell contains a table and there's a table inside a cell, so you can see what we did there. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna move on right now, and I'm gonna show you guys how to build how to go even further and build simple next table rows, because we're building I'm just going to show you so it would be easier. We have now two table rows and one column in total as a table, but what I want to build one more column right here, and with simply with two rows. So let's go ahead and do that, guys. Okay, so now guys, what I want to do is simply enter one more column, and that column will, let me follow the syntaxes here so I could show you guys what I mean. And yes, okay guys, so one more thing that okay, let's just play it within the same it will be much more simple with that. I'm gonna enter simply information within within the same cell, and show you what I mean. So what we can still build, you know, we can build a list. Let's say that this cell contains a list, right? So this is the putting the information that way, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a list inside of a cell. So I'm just deleting this information. So this table data, and there what we have to do in order to build a list, I'm just giving you jumping ahead a little bit, guys, because UL stands for unordered list. So unordered list will be built with list item. That's what the LI stands for. And let's go ahead and build simply list items in unordered list. So, and soon, guys, you will see what does it look like. And of course, we're gonna have to follow the same housekeeping rules. And now we should get a result. There you go, guys. So if we want to build a list inside of a cell, if we want to build another table inside of a cell, it is possible to do that, but we just simply have to follow the table building rules and table building algorithm and build those things just like we did right now. So guys, I can see that I'm almost at the limit of my time for this tutorial, so I'm just gonna finish at this point and carry on during my next one. So thanks guys for sticking with me for 14th tutorial already. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you like the video. Thanks guys once again. I'll see you very soon.